Yesterday, when I was young, the taste of life was sweet, like rain upon my tongue. I tasted like the sea, where a falling game, way and ending breeze, would taste a candle flame, the thousand dreams I dream, the splendid things I planned. I always built to last on weekends, shifting sands. I live like light and shone, the naked light of day. And although now I see how the years have run away. Yesterday, when I was young, there were so many songs that waited to be sung. So many wild places that lay in store for me, and so much pain my dazzled eyes refused to see. I ran so fast to die, and you at last went out, and I never stopped to think what life was all about. And every conversation that I can recall concern itself with me and nothing else at all. Yesterday, the moon was blue, and every crazy day brought something